Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car. Now, we did a video several weeks ago that a lot of people, including myself, really enjoyed. We started experimenting more with the white powder pearls over different color base coats. The last one we did was Cosmic Crush Color Shift over a koi orange base, and it came out so nice. You never really know what you're gonna get with a white powder pearl over a different color base until you actually spray it. And I told you guys we were gonna do more of those experiments, and we're doing one today. Now, Gunmetal Grey is a base that I've wanted to use under a white powder pearl for a long time. It's a deeper, richer gray, but it also has kind of a bluish tint to it in some light, and I wonder if that's gonna play a role in the end result when you put a white powder pearl on top. Now, I put a poll up on YouTube. I gave you guys 5 options to choose from. There were a bunch of different things in there, like Martian Blue and ZGA Hypershift, and I honestly thought if we put a white powder Hypershift on there, it was gonna be a landslide for the Hypershift, but it wasn't. What you guys picked by a long shot was GC-47 Alien Pearl, one of my favorite all-time pearls. It's a large particle, very sparkly, very saturated white powder pearl. We're putting it over the Gunmetal Grey base, sitting there on the Mustang right now. Enjoy the video. All right, guys, the car is complete and it looks awesome. I love this pearl over a Gunmetal Grey base. It's very metallic, and it's got just the right amount of saturation. Now, when you're gonna do a project like this, using white powder pearls over a different color base, and it doesn't matter what color your base is, gray, black, blue, red, whatever, you have to make some decisions ahead of time. You wanna decide how much that base color is going to play a role and show through in the end result. We use 25 grams per gallon. Any more than that, I really think is gonna be overkill. So if you're using white powder pearls over a colored base, go with a lighter pigment load. It gives you more control. We used 2 wet coats of the pearl on top of the Gunmetal Grey, and I think we found a good balance. If you put too much pearl into your top coat, you lose that control because you're gonna get so much pearl down on the car in the first or second coat that if you wanted to do 3, it's already gonna have too much color down on the car. So low pigment loads, take it 1 coat at a time and decide how much more you want to apply as you go. Now, if you have any questions about this project, you guys know how to get in touch with us. Chat with us directly on DipYourCar.com or call in. We love to talk to you guys about your project. And if you want to dip your own car, click right up here. It'll bring you to our car kits. We have tons of them to choose from, and a lot of them very easy to apply, very user-friendly. Let's go outside and check out this car. Thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing to our channel. It's Fonzie. I will see you on the next video.